Come on. Up. I swear to God. Please do it. I swear to God. No, you and him. Back. Okay. You ready? Los Angeles. I just wasted the last 25 minutes of my show. If all you wanted to hear was Spring Love, why didn't you just say it? Soundman. Get off the fucking internet and turn this shit up, okay? It's always this crankhead. That's what you got. Come on, boy. What if I take you back? Tonight!